As shown in the last video, we assumed the internal structure of the Koenigsegg dark matter motor and studied how it could merge the advantages of radial flux and axial flux into a single high-performance motor. In this video, I'll walk you through how this hybrid motor actually works, step by step. First, you're seeing the 3D design of the motor. This layout is not aesthetic, it's functional. The geometry is designed so that axial and radial magnetic fields interact with the same rotor. Next is the 3D printing process fast-forwarded. These printed parts define air gaps, stator alignment, and structural accuracy, all of which are critical for magnetic efficiency. Now, let's move to the core working principle. This motor uses two axial flux stators, one on each side of the rotor. Because of the way the permanent magnets are embedded inside the rotor, both axial stators must generate opposing magnetic fields. This means the windings are wired so that when one stator produces a north-facing field, the other produces a south-facing field. This creates a strong axial attraction-repulsion effect across the rotor, maximizing torque. This wiring must be done very precisely. If the polarity is incorrect, the fields cancel out instead of reinforcing rotor motion. Now let's look at the radial stator. The radial stator is angularly offset relative to the axial stators. This offset is intentional. It creates a continuous rotating magnetic field around the rotor circumference. While the axial stators generate high torque through axial flux interaction, the radial stator contributes to smooth rotation and higher RPM capability. What makes this design unique is that both flux types act on the same rotor at the same time. The rotor experiences axial forces and radial forces simultaneously, effectively combining the torque density of axial flux motors, the speed and stability of radial flux motors. This unified magnetic interaction is what allows the motor to deliver high torque and high RPM from a single compact assembly. Here, the red wires represent the three phases of the radial flux stator, and the black ones being the axial flux ones. The axial flux ones are connected in parallel such that they are fed power simultaneously and work together in the same three phases. Thus, this motor takes an input of 6 phase to combine the best of both worlds. If this breakdown helped you understand how the motor works, like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motor engineering content. And if you need technical support or would like to purchase this model, contact us using the email ID provided below.